Have you ever made a big bowl of ramen or pho only to realize your regular cereal bowls are too small? Broth spills over the edge, noodles are difficult to mix, and toppings barely fit. If you enjoy homemade Asian dishes, having the right bowl can make the entire meal feel more enjoyable. That's exactly what the KooK Ramen Bowl set is designed to improve. Today, we're taking an honest look at the KooK Japanese Ramen Bowl set, a set of 4 34-ounce ceramic bowls created for ramen lovers, home cooks, college students, and anyone who enjoys hearty soups, noodles, rice bowls, or even desserts. These bowls combine traditional Japanese-inspired styling with everyday practicality, offering generous capacity, durable ceramic construction, and microwave and dishwasher-safe convenience. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first impression is excellent. These bowls have a clean, modern look while still capturing the traditional feel of Japanese tableware. The matte black exterior paired with a rich navy interior creates an elegant contrast that makes homemade meals look more appetizing. They're sturdy without feeling overly heavy, and the slightly raised-footed base gives each bowl a stable, balanced feel on the table. The ceramic finish feels smooth, well-crafted, and durable enough for regular daily use. One of the biggest advantages is the generous 34-ounce capacity. Unlike smaller soup bowls that quickly become overcrowded, these give you plenty of room for noodles, broth, vegetables, sliced meat, boiled eggs, and garnishes without everything spilling over the sides. Whether you're serving ramen, pho, udon, soba, wonton soup, curry, rice bowls, or even large portions of chili, the extra depth makes eating much more comfortable. There's enough room to stir ingredients together naturally without making a mess. Performance may seem like an unusual thing to discuss for a bowl, but thoughtful design makes a noticeable difference during everyday use. The ceramic construction helps retain heat better than thinner bowls, keeping soups and noodles warm longer while you eat. The wide opening makes it easy to arrange toppings neatly if you enjoy presenting your meals, while the deep shape keeps broth contained when carrying the bowl from the kitchen to the table. The smooth, glazed interior also resists absorbing odors and stains, making it suitable for everything from spicy ramen to rich curries. Daily convenience is another strong point. These bowls are microwave safe, allowing you to quickly heat leftovers or prepare instant noodles without transferring food into another dish. Once you're finished eating, simply place them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. The durable ceramic construction stands up well to frequent washing, making them practical enough for everyday family meals rather than only special occasions. Since the set includes 4 bowls, it's also ideal for serving guests or family dinners without needing to mix different bowl styles. Of course, no product is perfect. Ceramic bowls naturally weigh more than plastic or melamine alternatives, so they aren't the best choice for outdoor picnics or travel. Like all ceramic tableware, they should also be handled with reasonable care to avoid chips if accidentally dropped. Fortunately, the thick construction feels sturdy enough for normal kitchen use. Compared with similarly priced ramen bowl sets from Douyin, Squeeze, and Van Casso, the KooK set stands out thanks to its combination of generous capacity, attractive two-tone design, durable ceramic construction, and everyday versatility. Many competing bowls work well for ramen alone, while these easily transition to serving salads, pasta, cereal, rice bowls, desserts, or family-style side dishes. Overall, the KooK Ramen Bowl set is an excellent choice for ramen lovers, college students, families, and anyone who enjoys cooking Asian-inspired meals at home. The large capacity, durable ceramic construction, attractive appearance, and everyday convenience make these bowls a worthwhile upgrade over standard kitchen bowls. If you're looking for stylish, functional bowls that you'll actually reach for every day, this set delivers excellent value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and available discounts before making your purchase.